Go! The time-tested method. 1. The inductive method. Induction is simply defined as the process of arriving at a given generalization. It starts from the known to unknown, from the specific to general, from the particular to the universal, from simple to complex, and from the
Concrete to the abstract. So, kani siya, nag-start siya from a simple to complicated.
nya. Sige nya. Ang example anda kay kanang maghimo tag experiment ba? Experiment dayon. Experiment di ba? Sa experiment kay mag-start mo kita sa objectives. Ya, mahuman na sa conclusion.
General.
Asap yun.
Sakto man to.
Sige, ay kakuha na ikaw day.
Sige, ipaday nung
Step by step.
Steps of induction method. Preparation, presentation, comparison and abstract, generalization, application. Una ta sa preparation. Ano sa ng preparation?
From the word itself, prepare.
Kani mga steps ani niya murag naghimo sa ta ani PowerPoint kay di ba? Usa ta mohimo og kana sa natay topic ana. Reading comprehension di ba? Una kay mag-prepare man jud ta unsa ano PowerPoint
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint din. Balik ka sa day. Muna presentation din kanimo sa imong topic then comparison of abstract mo na ang imong mga imong question pa sa day.
Analytical question.
Analytical lagi. Then
Tandaan ko sa mga
then generalization.
generalization kay
Point of view. Sa imong topic then application mo na ang katong apply.
Apply. Oh.
Makaunahon.
Then
Sige, go.
deductive.
Sunod na.
Here.
So, deductive method. So, the deductive method begins with a generalization and subsequently all examples and specific situations to be given are supportive of this generalization. So, kaning deductive, mura good siya, muhatag ka o kanang dili. Kuhaan man ni siya kanang adto ka sa yahang main good ba? Sa topic yun niya, betay, hatag ni mo ang topic. Then, sa kanang yung topic, maghimo ka og mga kanang dira nimo sa dira ka magsugod sa pinaka-lisod, pinaka-broad nga kuan, nga statement baron. Dira kay makakuha na nimo ang mga sangay-sangay.
Atong sa kuan di ba?
Oh.
Atong giingon gid ni sa circle atong approach
Ay, method.
Mag-start that approach. Ang kanang mo kuha na kay kanang mag-start na sila og kanang mag-logical thinking sila anak mo.
Human steps of the deductive method.
Introduction. The word itself, introduction, una.
Explanation of idea.
Introduction diri kay how many of you have a best friend who lives far from your place? Kaya say abroad, I am sure the most common way of communicating with your friends is to write letter writing. Baka matanda. Gusto ko gumawa ni mong introduction. Ito kung imo ni mong introduction kay kuani ka na murag nag imuhang una ba kay question dayon ang imong isugot sa mga estudyante. Therefore kung imo na silang taga question magunahon na sila og mga kuan. Imagine na sila taga
Makano mo
Statement
Rating of generality. Statement of generality. Uli po ba? Rating of letter.
The part are the heading, the
Laman ni Sol sa imuhang kuan. Letter murag body of the letter
mo na ako kuan sangay na. Sangay na.
Mo na definition of the general idea. Ang unit condition. Ang yahan ng
The
kuan.
heading of the letter contains the address of the letter sender and the date of the letter received. What is wrong?
Mana imong tagdan. Tagasan. Salutation.
Salutation ka ng hi.
Salutation lagi. Oh, hi, dude.
Di ba na
Oy,
Address pa na, oy!
Ang
Ang
address
galing
man
na,
sa gawas man na nga ka na.
Address mo na kaya karon kuan mo na. Uy, di man gud ay pareha na. Ala, sabi ko ni Mike. Pero sa kita daw sa lidot na kinala mo siya. Salutation. Salutation. Salutation.
Ito na, integrated. Sige.
Oo, dili man hayang ibutang uy. Di ba kada here noon. Murag hay. Murag ka murag. Hay. Sige ba? Tabla man sa tabada kag hay niya.
Sige, butang.
Ano
Okay,
ba?
sunod. The integrated method. Illustration pa ganita? Illustration. Board in a written sample see how each of the five parts of it
Nag-evaluate.
Sila, nag-evaluate na kanina.
Oo, sa imong pagsuwat, evaluate sa nimo og kanang kuan ba.
We're nag-trial and error.
Correct ba ba?
Ah.
O correct, pwede rin ka
Hindi mo rin ibalik.
o kanlitan.
Applicability.
Sige, dahil, sige, go.
Integration.
Applicability.
Integrated. Integration is the process of practice of combining different elements and presenting them as one unifying whole. It has been used in several instances like combining two subjects in the curriculum like science and health, music and physical education, social studies, and character.
Kana kayo magkuha ng mga maestra, ilang topic pa, maabot sa lain. Na pero konektado gihapon. Di ba ano ba? Anong isa na lang topic, pero
Kanang mo
kuha lang lahat.
Kanang mo timang sila pero ang
Oo,
topic na ara
darag gihapon diha ba?
Parehan.
Dili gyapon mawa ang kuan. Nagyapon ang point of view. Hindi siya mawa. Konektado lang. Galahi lang ang kuan. Lecture method. Lecture method is a procedure for explaining and clarifying a main idea. It makes use of exposition, which may be a narration or a description. Ang lecture method kay ang maestra na sige explain na nag-clarify sa tuwa ako kana iyang explain kay mao na siya na mo na iya ipa sa tawagan nang ipa kuan sa tuwa ba sa tuwa bot ipa ibot bot ipa ibot
Asa guys,
si mga kayo idea ba
Oh, may aim.
main objective
Oh, correct.
objective Audit steps of steps of the lecture method. So first, kay preparation for the lecture, this and
Kay connected ra gyapon pag niagi. Parehas ra.
And sunod kay type study method. It is an inductive procedure except that only one case is studied. For example, if one were study the parts of a river system, it is not necessary to study many river systems. Just one river would be enough, but it must be representative of other rivers to have all the parts. So inductive, mura lang katong main to general. Katong one.
Oh, pagpara
Main to general.
Simple na sa usa ka uli ka sa ka kanang kuan daghan mo daghan
Steps of type study method. Selection of the topic or perception and motivation. Statement of a typical case study of details, comparing details, generalizations. Ano siya doon? Parehas. Selection. Pili ka topic sa problem method.
Problem method gives direction to discussion and prevents wandering off from the topic. It stimulates reflective thinking and furnishes a guide in organizing ideas. It directs attention to the task to be done and it encourages concentration. None should two ways. A whole unit of subject matter may be presented in a problem. A whole unit. problem solving may be one of the methods utilizing in a unit work. So, mura pag nag-solve o math problem. They know? Dahil mura na nag-solve ka. Oh.
Sa math problem pa.
Mura lagi. Sa mag...
Murag kuan pud ko sa kanang gusto ganay kanang mag-experiment di ka di ba naman ay problem na imo na siyang ikuan. Danon pud na siya mga method para ma-solve.
Di ba lecture method? Lecture method.
Ano ba yan?
Lecture method.
Awan. The lecture method is base ato kay sige man isog ko.
Lagi sa nagtawag sa ito 1A. Scaffolding ba?
Scaffolding. Oh, scaffold. Dito ba? Ikuha ng tanong mo.
Ato, mo na si Miss na.
Oh,
Baka na mag-anana si
You're
Miss na.
almost there, You're almost there. Muna siya, Day. Push me.
Agay!
Sige, sige. Push me yan. Project method. Gini pala sa basa.
Project is a significant practical unit of activity or problem planned and carried to completion by the student in a natural manner and involving the use of physical materials to complete the unit of experience. One,
Types of projects.
types of project, construction project. Mag-construct ka ba?
One
The
mo
motive
feeling
is
ako
to
kay
do
mao ni
something.
katugong kanang usod ko si Perez. Mo na din siya ba nga? Oh. Grooming din siya direkto niya kanang maghatag siya og kanang maghatag siya task niya. Tagaan ta niya og kanang Manila paper. Pareha sa dinis, di ba? Katong ipag-group ta niya then niya tag
Mahimo ta og objective.
na siya ipanghatag nga
Topic.
Manila paper. Manila paper. Na siya gyud hatag ang topic over tagaan niya Manila paper. Continue.
Employment project. The motive is the participation in an activity
Kuan,
that is
apply
accompanied by
Enjoyment or satisfaction. An example may be planning and taking part in a school program.
Batong budget.
Budget, Day?
Okay,
Budget
role as a
As a teacher.
problem, project,
The motive is to master.
select all the difficulties from the learner himself. Curiosity or interest in the subject may be a
dominant factor.
The motive from kuan ng kuno from the learner.
Curiosity sa usa ka tawo.
Ay ganun. Wala makakay ba? Na makakay kay ka
Kuan di ka kanang
Curious lagi. Curious lagi ba ka nang naagi kay kon dito nga gusto
Ang
niya
ibabaw dominant.
Ay, sayang.
Dominant pa
Sayang.
Wag na mo nakakutgan dominant.
Sayang kayo.
Learning project, Day.
Learning project. The inner drive is toward acquisition of a skill or some knowledge. For example, a pupil may want to learn to swim or master certain combinations. Arithmetic. Dili, bilog. Kuan siya? Pupil may want to learn to is a major in English. Kanang kuon siya.
Kuan na lang.
Hindi siya maka-learn.
Sayaw. Ako sa tao, ganahan mo sayaw.
Sayaw.
Dili kanang arithmetic. Pwede ra sa luksa. Sa ganahan ka na. Sana kay major goal ba?
Oh,
Ano yung ganahan ko?
sa ganahan ni mo pa. I'm multiple intelligence.
Hindi kung usay mo ang
Kung goal na.
sabihin mo na kailangan makatuloy sa ginagawa kay
Wala para sa katulong unit.
Unsa ganun
Makatuloy sa edukan sinabi
Kami mong goal na dapat maigi kay kablangoy.
Di primary skill ba lang mo niya?
Another classification of project according to 1960.
Physical or material project, making a table, making a wall, making a school album, planning a garden plot, plants or fencing nagkamatol.
Ha? Kuan mo na ang putol kay kuan man na. Iligalamin. Kuan man na. Ayaw ba? Kaya pa rin nakita mo na may kanang hindi ka lang sapsapan ba nana. Mura po ko ganang mangguna ba? Mura mangguna. Wow.
Sketcher, bolo at bolo.
Abi na ko bang pins kay kanang kural lang.
Ah.
Kuan man na dahil kuan man na. Trigger. Diba?
Fencing the garden.
Uy, fencing nagkural na uy.
Nagkural na, uy.
Ala guys. Fencing di ba? Fencing ano?
Ano?
Nagkural.
Nagkural na.
O making a table, good, making a wall, making a school album,
Nagkural na dahil.
planning a garden plot, or fencing the garden.
Pwede, okay na itong trigger. Pwede ito. Learning
Projects are study activities of the initiative of the individuals and the project that speak English fluently, master Spanish, and Spanish.
Wala na ang multiple intelligence.
Mana na siya. Multiple intelligence.
Intellectual or problem projects are intellectual question that
Unsa ka multiple intelligence?
determine whether
Maria
we
Clara
are right in modern day society or not. So determine how inventions
Analytical o quadring.
Deductive.
Question of logical question. Pilipin ang
Sige, step of the project.
Purposing.
Purpose 3.
Dapat ang makaka-maestra.
Guys. Need. Yan, ganang
May purpose?
may purpose yung
Passion.
Nakakuha na ko dahil ba, mura ka ang ato ang kon, makay root. Mga rotudes.
planning.
Di sa dagay, ay sa pagdali day.
Purposing.
Purposing it. It is important for the teacher to consider that.
Kinahanglan. Dapat mo
Ang interest ko sa
sa usa ka dapat mo kuha ng usa ka maestra. O ana rin si kuan bitaw dapat ipahit.
Ito maging sa isla.
Ito ba tanan?
Sibe tanong
Diyan
bata
tinga.
kay kuan
Oo,
kayo.
interest.
Dahil na besan, friend.
So, dapat unique.
No matter how young the pupils are, they can always offer very good suggestions. When activities are planned and initiated by the pupils, they perform their parts willingly and enthusiastically.
Ay, tato na na.
Enthusiastic.
So, katong imog activity.
Planning.
plano
Ano
Ano ka para?
Tagaan tag role play, di ba? Kita naman na
Kita na
magkukuha.
really kita mo plan kung unsaon na to pag kuha na tong role play.
Sa mga
Organize.
The
Execute.
laboratory method.
The laboratory.
The laboratory method is a teaching procedure dealing with first-hand experiences regarding materials or facts obtained from investigation or experimentation. It is experimentation, observation, or application by individuals or small groups dealing with actual materials. Essentially, it is the experimental method enlarged and expounded. So, explain here.
Laboratory method. The teaching procedure dealing with mo naman yung katong experimentation, kung kanang sa laboratory method, kay kana kung kuan jud inyo jud actual nga buhaton ba, o magkandak o makadak baro mo kanang survey, kanang experimentation nga kailangan nga mismo ang mga student kay maka-observe, maka-conclude, nga maka-differentiate sa mga kanang mga changes sa kanang imong experiment. So, sa laboratory method, nasa bigay mga kuhan, mga ay procedures, pag-involve ang procedures, mga gamit-kagamitan nito na din, materials, tools, the types of laboratory method experimental mo na to aims to train pupils in problem solving with incidental acquisition of information and motor skill. The emphasis is on discovery, original procedure, analysis, and solution of problems. So experimental diri na ni katong ingon nga mag-experiment nga diri sa kanang kuan kay train mo ang student nga kanang mag-solve sa kanang sa problem or kanang like katulad experimentation. Yan ay mga original procedure then mga analysis baka
Ito na ba? Demonstration. There are cases when it is better to use the demonstration method instead of the laboratory method. The chief difference between the two is that in the laboratory method, all the children perform the experiment and learn by doing. In the demonstration method, the teacher does not experiment before the class.
para sa atong idukwan dito na to atong learning is doing, learning is
Learning. Social dimension. Anong gusto mo?
Or,
ito lagi learning by
Demo
doing.
na
Mas maka-learn ba yan jud ka waton.
Steps. Proposing. Mauro man ang mura na connect na sila. Expository method. The expository method is closely akin to the showing or telling method. It is used a great deal in the lower grades as there is much that needs explaining. However, it is also used in the upper grades in the secondary school and even in the college when something difficult needs explanation.
Nag-explain ang maestra kung super kayo ang mga topic na gani niya mga students may maka-answer na pero hindi kayo pa din na exact answer ang hatag. Hindi kayo
Sige. The Morrisonian technique or unit method. And the unit method is the process of taking the content of a particular subject as big blocks and not its isolated and fragmentary bits of information. The aim is to approach topics as an organized and integrated body, showing relevance and cognitive relationships. Commonly, the teacher assigns every unit or every chapter as a subject of the class activity. The activity does not last in just one sitting. It may certainly take several days before the one unit or chapter is completely taken by the class. Okay. Ilang tunga-tungaon. Tunga-tungaon isa.
Kuan. Example
Ilang
na
technique
dito
ay
na
kuan kanang
Diba, dili ba kahit ano na ito mga kasi mape natag sa role play yun na gas pa siya na grouping sila niya
stay na talang role play.
wala na pa mo